Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're exploring one of the best matching friendship bracelets available. These Partners in Crime Handcuff Bracelets by Desimtion. If you're looking for a meaningful and stylish way to celebrate your bond with a best friend, sister, or loved one, this set might just be the perfect choice. These bracelets are designed to symbolize the special connection you share, with the unique handcuff design representing the idea of being partners in crime. The bracelets are hand-woven using imported black rope, which is known for being strong, smooth, and soft to the touch. This ensures that the bracelets are comfortable to wear and won't irritate your skin. The rope has a natural droop at the tail, adding a casual and elegant flair to the design. The metal components of these bracelets are made from hypoallergenic alloy, making them safe even for sensitive skin. You won't have to worry about allergic reactions or discomfort, which is a big plus if you plan to wear them daily. The bracelets feature a box chain style and do not use a traditional clasp, allowing the fit to be easily adjustable. This means they can comfortably fit a wide range of wrist sizes, from teens to adults, men or women. The adjustable nature of these bracelets makes them a versatile gift option. Whether you want to surprise your best friend on a birthday, celebrate an anniversary, mark a special occasion like graduation, or just send a thoughtful gesture, these bracelets can fit any occasion. The packaging also includes a card with a heartfelt message, reinforcing the emotional connection behind the gift. In terms of style, the black rope combined with the silver tone metal creates a sleek, modern look that can complement casual or semi-formal outfits. It's a subtle accessory that carries a powerful message of friendship and loyalty. The handcuff design adds an edge to the bracelets, making them stand out compared to typical friendship bands. Durability is a key consideration for any bracelet you intend to wear regularly, and these hand-woven bracelets hold up well under normal use thanks to the quality rope material. The metal alloy is also designed to resist tarnishing and wear. However, like all rope-based accessories, it's a good idea to avoid excessive exposure to water or harsh chemicals to keep them looking their best. Overall, the Desimtion Partners in Crime Handcuff Bracelets combine symbolic design with quality craftsmanship and comfortable wearability. They are not just jewelry but a statement piece that celebrates a special relationship with a loved one. If you want a meaningful, stylish, and practical friendship bracelet set, this product is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.